A high GMAT score is one of the crucial factors that determines your admission to top business schools. Let me take you through an example. Our student, Aastha, came to us after previously consulting with another company for GMAT preparation and only achieving a score of 630. She was not satisfied with that score and wanted to improve her chances to getting into her dream school. We worked with Aastha to understand her challenges, especially balancing her work and studies, and created a personalized GMAT prep plan based on her schedule. With the help of weekly live strategy sessions led by Mr. P.N. Santosh and his team of experts, Aastha was able to gain a clarity on the concepts. She improved her scores to 650 in mock test and received personalized score booster sessions which helped her to achieve a score of 750. With this score, Aastha was able to boost her confidence and apply to top business schools, ultimately resulting in an admit.